Ja, dobro jutro, kako ste kaj? Tukaj sem Rovaniemi, tole je pogled iz hotela Santa Claus Hotel, minus 25 stopinj trenutno in je mrzlo. Thank you. Hello my friend, how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
I'm coming from Finland.
Where are we going?
We are going snow rally rings. It's a place in the middle of nowhere. Yes.
Oh, maybe something happened. Oh, there's a behind the car.
Maybe, I think they are coming from this snow rally rings.
Okay, now we have a lot of Porsche Cayennes. Those are the new ones, huh?
One year when I was here, there's many Ferraris.
What's the name of the town we are going?
The village is Vika.
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 When I was in elementary school, there was a girl named Vika, and we were all in love with her because he had big balconies. Evo ga, prišli smo Snow Rally Kings, the boss of Finland drove us here. Hello, welcome, how are you my friends? Prav tole je podjetje, ki je vse to skupaj organiziral, Ferratum. To je firma finska, ki dejansko ima posojila. Check it out, spodaj v linku, kaj vam oni dejansko ponujajo.
Okay, my name is Henri Haapamäki. I'm Finnish rallycross driver and I am coordinator here. We have two driving coaches here, Markus Grönholm, two-time world champion.
Bravo!
Markus Grönholmeen jarruttelee 3 pohja-aikaa tulee iltapäivän pätkillä, vaikka nyt ei tarvitsisi enää ihan täysillä puristaa.
And Sami Pajari, one-time junior world champion.
Bravo!
We do 2 groups, Toyota Yaris group and the second group is BMW group. You can go here and we check the here.
Thank you. Very
Here,
nice gift. Thank you very much.
Antti, check your driving suits.
Bus nas fura zdaj na racetrack, pa je na drugi strani, tam pustimo stvari in idemo. Voz nas pa Ruka Travels Finland. Hello Ruka Travels, how are you?
Hello, fine.
Amanda, very nice, German, very single, big single, and Finnish our tourist guy. And Mario, the big Croatian cameraman.
Yes.
And of course Czech Republic boy, under, behind.
Jaris Geer.
Ja, ti si fan Jaris.
Jaris Geer.
Evo.
Si,
Gazoo Racing. Znači Jaris častio kap.
Da.
Jesi vozio kad
Po ledu. Nikad
Jaris?
nisam vozio Jarisa po ledu. Sa gumama, sa čavalicama. Jedno čekam.
Evo nas ljudi moji, dolazimo, evo ga. Benđole su tu. Kjer je kramprce, taki kramprc, pa še nisam vidio v lajfu. Noter bucket seats, kletka, tale je že mal utrpel poškodbice. Tukaj imamo na tej strani, imamo lepo ogenček, da nas gre. Tle bomo pustili ruzak. Kva imamo tle? Ludnica. Top shit, kakor pravijo, pocket rocket. Pa imamo pa tle dejansko. Tole je pa proper rally car. A proga, glej. Tako se začne, se pelje vse, kar tukaj vidiš okol, to je znači proga, kjer bomo mi izvajali vragolije. A ti jaz lahko sploh razložim, koliko sem jaz happy, da sem tle. Tole bo brutalno. Gledam ta folk, vsi so malo tako, ali boga mi, jaz sem vesel. To gledaš samo v igrca. Dirt rally pa to simulator. Zdaj dejansko sem tukaj in lahko vozim. Evo ga, Markus Grönholm. To, legenda rallija, stari. Markus, sorry to interrupt you a little bit. One question.
Yes.
How come you started driving rally?
How come?
Yes.
Yeah, because of my father was a rally driver in Finland.
Okay.
So I was always interested. Then I drove motocross with a bike many years, but I had a big accident and with my knee was very bad. So it was time when I got the driving license, I started rally.
Now you're retired or what?
Yes. I'm an old man.
Maybe outside, but inside you're still young and furious. Huh?
Yes, exactly.
What are we gonna do today?
We are going to drive in the nice winter conditions here with a little bit better tires and spikes. I think you will enjoy it.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Markus,
you.
for inviting us, and we're gonna enjoy. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Tele Čehi, stari moj, prav sam probleme delajo. Odmotaj ga! Crkajte, vidi koliki je velik. Prevelik čovjek za mali auto. Hello!
Hello.
Let's go! Opa! Ja, noč, zdaj grem še en krog z BMW-jem sam, pa imamo pa kosilo, pa gremo pa zamenjati avtomobile in grem na Yarisa probat. BMW je zadnji pogon, Yaris je pa 4x4. Let's go! Noro, stari! Brutal! Moram malo easy, da nam razbol vse skrat. Jaz sam božam ta avto! Dam besedo, ga sam božam! Možda je kva se zgodi, če dam full gasa! Zatiš dol s ceste in dejansko moraš poklicati na walkie-talkie in da te prijejo pobrat. Tudi to mora biti experience. Hello? I need some help. Okay. Evo ga, vleče me ven. Vse imajo poskrbljen drugač. O, super, evo, sem že vzum. Ok, kva se je zgodilo? Zdaj sem odvozil, pridem sem. Da mi premaknem kamero do zadnje prej. Pride Mario, gleda, kjero kamero? Kamera mi je padla tja. In zdaj jo iščejo.
You lost something?
Mario, ova kamera.
To, našo.
Našo. Evo je. We just lost a snow virginity, by the way.
Good.
You penetrate us hard. But I believe better is coming when we're gonna drive with you.
No, we will see.
Do I eat a lot or not?
Yeah, you can eat normally.
Normally.
What's the secret? The secret, we go on the rally stage. I will take you in the car.
Very nice.
Everybody.
Nobody knows that. No, but shh. Ok, zdaj smo BMW obdelali, zdaj pa mi spremenimo in gremo na tele Yariske. Hello.
Hello. So now the idea is you only learn the track.
We say in Balkan Bravo. You know? Bro,
You learn me all
I'm gonna teach you.
All this shit.
What's going on here?
Was someone screaming? What on earth has gone on?
We have to stop because it came some stone or something through Timo's seat. Up in the ass of Timo.
Not shit. When you're gonna come on Balkan and you're gonna say Jesse Rojo, it means what's up my cousin, everybody gonna love you.
Jesse Rojo.
Jesse Rojo. Jesse Rojo.
Jesse Rojo.
Bravo. Marcus in the house.
We are together, making the best time.
Yes.
Easily, beating everybody. Stay in, more in.
Okay.
You have to kiss the snow walls, you know.
Kiss. Okay.
And throttle. You did it.
Woo! Crazy! Tole je best time of my life! Drugi sem. Tretja. Oh my god! Oh my god! A ti moraš vedeti, da mi vozimo, da jaz po mojem niti ne izkoriščam tega avtomobila dost. Ker ti rit zanese, iz leve na desno te meče. Konc rataš preveč samozavesten. Ker nekaj ideš pojma vožnji in pol hitro zletiš. Pa glej, uživa se pa na maksimalno, to ni bil zdaj najboljši. najboljši time of this track. Yeah! Oh! Yeehaw! Let's go, Toyota! Let's go! A ti veš, da meni sploh ni mrzlo? A se ti zavedaš, da dejansko je minus 20 in jaz sploh ne čutim mrazu? Zakaj že to? Zato, ker sem time. Eto zato. Čaka me še vožnja z Markusom Grönholmom. Se pravi, da on pokaže meni, kako se voz.
Markus, how do you say? Jesse Rojo.
Who taught you that?
My friend from Slovenia.
Bravo.
He's not from Slovenia.
No, I don't know.
Why do you lie to
Somewhere.
people? He's from Bosnia.
My dad from Bosnia. I was born in Slovenia.
Yes.
Yo, my friend.
Hello?
What's your name?
Henri Haapamäki.
Henri Haapamäki.
Who owns this car? It's yours.
Oh, Jorma Jokela's car.
What kind of car is it?
Ford Fiesta Rally 3. WRC 3 class car. 4-wheel drive, about 300 horsepower. Good suspension, good brakes. It's a real rally car.
Is it the same as Toyota or?
No.
What's the plan now to do?
Markus Grönholm, 2-time world champion, make some good driving for you.
Show off.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be inside and try not to puke.
Yeah.
You know how they usually call us Honda guys when they heard this sound?
Do you like this sound?
Yes, I like it, but the other people don't like it. They called us fart cans.
Yeah, I know that, but not smell. Only sound.
Only sound. What do you do for a living?
Rallycross supercar Ford Fiesta.
What is rallycross?
6 cars and every car have 600 horsepower, about 3 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers.
So the surface is snow.
No, on the summer, only in summer. Start line is tarmac and some corners is tarmac, some corners is gravel.
What's your status?
2 Finnish championship.
Congratulations,
Thank
my
you.
friend. Yes, Roto! Yes, Roto! Let's go!
Holy shit! What the hell is this? Crazy! Woo! Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. No! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! No wonder you were God in this. Amazing. And a little bit of handbrake. Positive on left, middle corner cut. Woo! Let's go. Yes. This is nitro. Woo! Yeah. Opa. Amazing.
Amazing! Noro, model rastura, pa ni mi bilo slabo, tako da sem užival na polno. Hvala Ferratu za izkušnjo, Lapland 2023 in vsem rally voznikom. Top shit! Juraj, ko je ovo sa mnom bio?
Gle, ljudi, znači ti Dino ne znaš ko je Markus Grönholm. Markus Grönholm je Mesija relija, razumiješ? Isus, Muhammed, ne znam sad kako bi ti ja to objasnio. Nešto najtop, odaberite si bilo koga. Halid Bešlić, Nena, Madonna.
Znači, visočanstvo.
Apsolutno.
Mislim,
Znači ja kad sam ga vidio šta sam napravio? Poljubio sam cipele, gospodin.
jesi? To nisam video.
Ja sam gospodinu Filjupu, odi tamo i pokloni se. Pokloni se gospodinu.
Hvala za informaciju.
Nema na čemu. Za koju je to televizija?
To je Dinoti YouTube. So I just figured it out. This track is for pussies like me.
Yeah.
But that track is for heroes like you.
Thank you. Team Pussy.
How was it? Experience?
Nice experience. And totally different between Toyota and the BMW. I mean, the Toyota is more safe. You drive and it's like, okay, it's nice, but it's ice. Like we have it at home.
Yes.
But the BMW, old school.
Yeah.
As soon as you do one mistake, no regret.
You're gone.
You're done. But it's very nice.
Very
and
nice.
to drive with the pros, it's different level. When we drive with the pros, you can say we cannot drive at all.
No.
We drive like little kids, beginners. But everybody has to try it, really. Super nice experience.
Yeah. And who you are?
My name is Andre Mangold.
You are from Germany?
I'm from Germany.
What do you do for a living?
I am a former basketball professional.
Oh, really?
And now a little bit influencer also as well.
Nice, nice.
I do like hosting stuff and moderation and TV.
With your girlfriend?
Also.
She is who?
Annika Jung is my girlfriend. She works for a German TV station and does also content creation.
So you two guys make a good couple, I see.
Thank you, I think so too. Somebody said.
Enjoy. I to je njegova punca. Annika, how was it?
I love her. It was so nice.
Better than with your man?
Yes.
Yes.
Holy shit!
This was one of the best my driving days of my life because we don't have such services. I was 15 times in Finland in different rally schools and all these things, but today everything was perfect. The cars, the tires, the weather, the track. Both of you, thank you very much, and it was really a pleasure to know you. And I brought a little bit of nice alcohol from Croatia.
How we say in Slovenia and Croatia, živeli.
Živeli.
Živeli. Živeli. Ajde Markus, živeli. Kipis. Ajde. Slovenac je popio.
Lako noć. Ti je Slovenac, moj dragi Slovenac. Nemoj meni muda pod bubrege prodavati, molim.
Žijo. Prvo bi se ti rad zahvalil, da dejansko gledaš ta video in da si na mojem kanalu. Drugo bi se rad pohvalil, da delam na YouTubu že od leta 2012 in ponosno lahko trdim, da s trdim delom daleč prideš. Ker pa trdo delo včasih ni dovolj, bi se rad obrnil na vas vse, da dejansko podprete moj kanal. Lahko ga pa podprete na način, da postanete member mojega kanala. Kaj to pomeni? To za vas pomeni, da dejansko se lahko naročite za določeno vsoto denarja na moj kanal in s tem pridobite dodatno veliko več vsebine, katere vam jaz lahko ponudim. Zakaj? Ker vsak teden mi ljudje govorijo, kdaj bo nov video, sem se odločil, da vse tiste, za katere je to premalo, lahko ponudim več. In sicer en tak moj normalen video, katerega naredim, mi vzame tam 10 do 20, 30 ur časa. In ker jaz dejansko ne zmorem več, sem si rekel, zakaj ne bi vas ta material, katerega odrežem, ponudil ljudem, ki bi radi več. In s tem boste dejansko tudi podprli moj kanal, da lahko tudi bolje in z večjo motivacijo vse to skupaj delam. Tako da, če bi se rad odločil, da podpreš Dinotja in vidiš več, čist easy. Dol imaš membership option, izbereš si in glej, uživaš v moji vsebini. Hvala ti, pa se vidimo.
Hadouken!